Hey guys, it's Brianna, and today I'm going to be talking to you about a question that we get asked quite often, and that is, what is the difference between the Skinny and the Prosilk Pencil by Tina Davies? The first pencil I'm going to be talking about is the Prosilk Pencil. And this pencil is very similar to a grease pencil that you would be used to using in the past. But what's great about it is the formula was specifically made to be extremely silky and to glide onto the skin. The main difference with the Pro Pencil is that you have to sharpen it to your desired point. So you pull down this string and then you sharpen it so that you can create really fine hair strokes on your client so that they can see what their procedure will look like once it's finished. This is the pencil that Tina likes to use when she does her pre-draw because she loves to create those hair strokes that she can just trace over once she's doing her procedure. The Pro Pencil comes in both black and brown, and the brown pencil is great because it's a true neutral brown with no red undertones. The next pencil is the Skinny Pencil. So this pencil is very different from anything that a PMU artist would have used in the past, and that is because it has a twist-up lead. Now, a tip with the twist-up lead is to only twist it up 1 millimeter because it is so skinny that if you twist it up more than that, when you go to use it on your client, it might snap. The Skinny Pencil is great if you don't have time to sharpen the Pro Pencil and if you just want to draw a boxed outline around your client's brows for your pre-draw as opposed to drawing each fine hair stroke. The Skinny Pencil is very similar to a makeup eyebrow pencil, but what's unique about it is that it's super pigmented and glides on the skin as well. The Skinny Pencil also comes with a spoolie on the other end, which is great if you're doing your pre-draw and you want to erase or buff out any edges. The Skinny Pencil also comes in both black and brown, and the brown is also a true neutral brown with no red undertones. Those are the main differences between the Pro and Skinny Pencil. At the end of the day, it really just comes down to your personal working style and how you prefer to do your pre-draw. If you like to do hair strokes so that your client can visualize what their eyebrows will look like afterwards, then the Pro Pencil is a great option. If you don't have time to sharpen the Pro Pencil, and if you prefer to do a boxed outline around the brows, then the Skinny Pencil is a great option for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions for us, leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.